Hey, you too. Catfish Terry here. We're down here just hours before the snowstorm. They're saying anywhere from 4 to 8 inches of snow. When 35 degrees right now. We've been in the 20s. Got down to 16 last night. But we're gonna try just for a few minutes one of my jigs I've been tying. And we're gonna give it a shot just for a few minutes. Can't stay out in this cold too long, but let's make a few casts and see if we can get any hits or not before the storm. Hang on. Fish on. There you go, y'all. Just like that, a crappie. All right, y'all, I just got here, but it ain't no need staying because the pole I grabbed, it's got like 12 to 14 pound test on here, and it's just too stiff. But I mean, I just got here and did catch a crappie on my little handmade tie, my little, I call it the puddle jumper. Did catch a crappie right off the bat, but my line is so stiff, and then 35 degrees weather, it just ain't letting it sink down. So no need staying out here. Came down here, did catch a fish before the storm, so can't wait till we can get back down here. But I apologize not bringing the right rod and reel, but at least we got a fish, y'all. So y'all hit that subscribe button. Share us out and become a member. We've got a lot of fishing to do. I'm just sick of this cold weather. I'm ready to get this boat out. But thanks for watching. Come watch me tie some more jigs. Love y'all. Till next time. Yeehaw. Stay close to your family, y'all. Take care.